Welcome, everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to compare and contrast the characteristics of the graphs of functions based on their exponents. How are we learning it? Through the Key Features of Functions Part 2 assignment. When can we use this information? To analyze data charts and graphs to determine growth of businesses. How do you know you learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Key Features of Functions Part 2 assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over the learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. Once you've completed your Get It Started, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. After that, I'll give you time to complete the Key Features of Functions Part 2 assignment on Desmos. Once you've completed the assignment, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is continue working on the Reasoning with Families of Functions study guide and any incomplete assignments that you may have.
Let's talk now about how to sign in to Desmos to complete your work. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on the link to go to the assignment, and it should take you to a page that looks kind of like this. And right here where it says sign in with Google, we're going to click there. And it's going to pop up with our email accounts. You're going to click on your school email account, and it should already have you logged in because you should have already been logged in using Google Classroom. From there, I'm just going to click Start the Activity, and it will take me into the assignment and allow me to begin. So that's how you will log in to Desmos using Google.
Let's take a look now at the Key Features of Functions Part 2 assignment. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, there's a link here to take you to the Desmos activity. Go ahead and click on that link, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. We'll go ahead and click Start the Activity. The activity begins with the learning goals and success criteria. We'll go ahead and click Next. Now for this one, it says they're all of the form f of x equals b to the x. So they're all exponential functions. And it says, what do you notice when b is greater than 1? So those are all the ones in blue. So when b is greater than 1, they're all in blue. And what do you notice about the ones in red, where it's smaller than 1? So between 0 and 1. So these are all like fractions. So 1/2, 1/3, things like that. So you're going to state at least 3 things you notice about the blue ones, at least 3 things you notice about the red ones. Then we'll click Next. Now for this one, it says, what do you notice is in common for all of them? So regardless of the exponent, what do you notice about all of them? So you'll go ahead and answer that question. You'll list at least 4 things that they have in common. And then when you're done with that, you'll go ahead and go back to your Google form and click Next. This will take you to your Before You Go. Go ahead and fill out your Before You Go and then submit your work on Google Classroom.